Welcome. Today I want to share with you a Kundalini set. It's the basic breath series. It's a series of pranayamas that will deliver you to a beautiful state of energy and vitality and balance. This is a great standalone practice you could do any time of the day where you're needing that reset or that recalibration. But it could also be done as an adjunct to any other practice that you do as well. So we'll start with our tune-in, Om Namo Gurudev Namo, connecting to the divine wisdom teacher within, invoking that highest self. So bring the palms together, close down the eyes. Take a couple of breaths and just allow your awareness to settle in your heart. Take a deep breath in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Inhale, suspend the breath. Hold the breath and just go to that place of perfect peace inside of you. Exhale and relax. Okay, so the first pranayam will be closing off the right nostril. So you'll bring your right thumb up to gently close the nostril, your left hand in Gyan Mudra. The eyes will be closed. You're gazing at your third eye point, and just begin long, deep breaths in and out through the left nostril. This left channel relates to Ida Nadi. The lunar channel of the body relates to the energy of the moon, the feminine. Connected into the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest. Inhale a deep breath. Suspend the breath. Exhale. Relaxing and keeping the eyes closed, gazing at the third eye point. Just taking a couple of breaths there through both nostrils. the second pranayama will be breathing in and out through the right nostril, right hand in Gyan Mudra. Closing off your left nostril with your left thumb. All the other fingers are pointing up. Eyes are closed. Roll the gaze up and in and begin long, slow, deep breaths. Right nostril, Pingala Nadi. It's the energy of the sun, solar energy, dynamic and generative, heating, relates to the masculine aspect of self. We're doing this alternate nostril breathing. You may notice one nostril is more open than the other. It's quite common because throughout the day, dominance in nostrils shift. The breathing shifts in dominance naturally. Inhale, very deep breath. Suspend the breath. Exhale and just relax again, a few breaths, just observing. Feeling your experience. Okay, next we're going to be breathing in through the left nostril, out through the right nostril. So you'll bring your right hand up. You can have your fingers in a U shape here. Again, closing down the eyes, gazing up and in at the third eye point. So inhale left. Exhale right. Make the breath as long and deep as possible. And drink the breath like the purest, sweetest nectar that you could imagine. Think of this breath as medicine for whatever ails you. Inhale a deep breath. Suspend the breath. Squeeze Mula Bandha, pelvic floor, up and in, low belly, draw us back, roll the gaze up, hold the breath. Exhale, relaxing the breath, relaxing the mind. Just a couple of breaths in and out of both nostrils, allowing for the adjustment. Trusting your experience, trusting the life force to move in exactly the ways that you need. Okay, so now we breathe in through the right, out through the left. Right hand in Gyan Mudra. And begin gazing at the third eye. Trace the line of energy as you inhale through the right nostril up to the third eye point. And as you exhale from the third eye point down through the left nostril. Feeling that triangle of energy. Inhale, deep breath. Again, suspend at the top, lift the root, draw the energy up, and exhale, relax. If you need to shake out your legs for a moment, you can do that. So next we're going to be doing breath of fire. It's that rapid inhale, exhale through the nose. As you exhale, the navel draws back to the spine. You might think of it like you're trying to blow a candle out through your nose. It's a try to keep the face and the shoulders relaxed and just let the mind relax. So bring the palms or the hands to, again, Gyan Mudra. The heart stays lifted, the chin draws slightly down, roll the gaze up and in, and begin. Inhale. Hold the breath. Take in as much as you can. Suspend, squeeze Mula Bandha. Hold it. Hold it. Exhale. And just feel that distribution of energy, life force. Final exercise of this practice, keeping the eyes closed, will be chanting a long Sat Nam. So think of this just as a beautiful blessing that you're giving yourself through this mantra. Sat is truth, eternal, infinite truth, and Nam is name or identity. It's just affirming that that's who you are. So sing it like a blessing to yourself. Just 1 minute here together. Sat Nam. Relaxing now and letting yourself rest into that Sat Nam, that place of truth, the core of your being. Feel yourself like you could just fall into that place. Set an intention now as you move forward to move through the rest of your day from this place. So bring your palms together. Thank you so much for joining me. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Sat Nam.